Hi, in this video I'm going to solve practice question for ratio and scale. So this is the scale diagram of a locus. So we got 0.35 centimeter to 1 millimeter. So here we can write it first, convert to millimeter. It's gonna be 3.5 millimeter to 1 millimeter. So it's gonna be 35 to 1, 10 to 10. It's gonna be 10 to 2. So this is from 7 to, so we can convert to be 3.5 to 1. So determine the real length. So the real length, we need to measure it from here. Okay, we got 12 centimeter. So how are we going to find it? So this, okay, let's say this is the x. So the diagram length, we divided with the scale factor. So the diagram length before we found it 12 centimeter. However, this is, we need to make it into a millimeter, so 12 centimeter to millimeter. So it's gonna be 120 millimeter. We divide with the scale factor is 3.5. So the real is, we got 120, we divide by 3.5. So we got as, this is 4 significant figures. So you got 34.28 millimeter, the real life. Okay, and this is the photograph measuring by 70 millimeter by 40 centimeter is enlargement by the ratio of 2 to 1. Okay, so yeah, width, so let us make it into centimeter. So let's see if this is millimeter, this is equal to 7 centimeter. From the 40 centimeter, this is equal to 400 millimeter. Okay, so we need to find the original photograph. So the original is by centimeter. So we got 7 centimeter, we multiplied by 40 centimeter, so we'll got as 280 centimeter square. And if we are using the millimeter, the enlargement, so we got as 70 millimeter, we multiply by 400 millimeter. It's gonna be 28,000 millimeter square. Next, we need to find the area of the enlarged photograph. So this is 2 to 1, so we can just multiply it by 2. This is A, this is B. So let's make it centimeter. New width, we got 7 centimeter multiplied by 2, so we got 14 centimeter. And this is for the new length, 40 centimeter, we multiply by 2, so we got 80 centimeter. So the enlarged area, so we got 14 centimeter multiplied by 80 centimeter. So which is, we got as 1120. Here is centimeter square. Okay, the ratio, the area of enlargement ratio. Okay, the ratio. Remember the area ratio that we have learned, the area ratio equal to the linear ratio square. Here we need to remember. Okay, here the linear, oh yeah, ratio. Let me rewrite again. So here's the area, yeah, equal to the the area ratio, I mean. The area ratio equal to, here is the linear ratio square. So the linear ratio is 2. So make it 2 square. This is equal to 4. Or I will give you another way. So by the calculated the areas. So we got this enlarged area, which is 1120. So we can divide by 280. Draw it one. This is centimeter square. So 1120 divided by 280 is 4. So the area has been enlarged by a ratio of 4 to 1. Okay, there it is. Thank you.